am I in your way? 'Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you.
Hi, I'm Lily. Hi, I'm Jace. We're going to take you on a tour inside the house of what our dad's done. Let's do it now. This is the downstairs of the stone side of the house. The yellow bricks are the addition. Someday it'll be our kitchen and our parents' bedroom. The first room we're going to show you is the small living room. These are some before pictures. Now let's bring you over to the old dining room. It used to be kind of small and very dark. Now we're going to walk down the hallway. The end of the hallway was the old kitchen. Now I'm going to bring you down the hallway to the bathroom. You can see the hallway on your right. At the end of the hallway, there was a small little room. This room had no real purpose. Going into the bathroom, it was very small. It had a tub, a small sink, and obviously a toilet. Okay, now let's show you the demo. First, we wanted to take out the wall between the small room and the small living room. My dad made a real mess with this one. We found where there used to be a door. Next, we had to make the bathroom bigger. Now when you leave the bathroom, you can walk right down to the front of the house. What did we do with this old dining room? That's right, we took out the walls. Now it's one big open room. And that's the way it used to be. We also changed the door to the basement. Added some shelves for extra storage. Let's go upstairs. On the top of the stairs on the left was an old bathroom. It was pink. My sister loved it. This is the landing on the top of the stairs. Next to the bathroom was bedroom number 1. The bedroom was really small and the closet was right in the way. The next room we were looking at was Lily's bedroom. In her bedroom, there was a door that went to the back room. This back room was used as a library. The first thing we did was change the layout so we could have a bigger bathroom upstairs. It was a lot of fun for my dad to break through the walls. We also had to break over to the other side of the house. Now we can go right over to our parents' bedroom. This is the new hallway. I hope this made sense for you. We hope it makes it easier to see all the work we've done. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.
Lily, the first worm.
The first worm.
The first